Hey, Freedom Stickers. Freedom Sticker here. Got something in the mail today. Let's see what I got. Hey, Freedom Stickers. Before I get into today's video, let me get into some community mail. Let's get into it. Mill Stacks, he sent me a quarter along with his updated stickers. Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas to you. Mill Stacks, the originator of the $10 a week LCS challenge. Awesome stickers with his name upgrade. And some Canadian Constitutional. Thanks so much, Mill Stacks. Let's get into it. This is our third installment from Investor Crate. It's our last installment of Constitutional. Went with American Standard box. American Standard crate next. So probably be an American Silver Eagle and I don't know, maybe some Constitutional. Ooh, there it is. The Investor Crate. Bag Constitutional, and this is the November Investor Crate. Looks like we got $1.50 in halves, 2 1964s, and a 1957. Got 2, 4, 6, 7 Mercury dimes. Let's go ahead and see what the dates on these are. Got 1939. 1943. 1937. 1939. 1943. 1917. That's an old one right there, boy. 1944. And a 1943. So far, this is the third installment of the investor crate that I've received. Got $2.20 for the November $50 constitutional crate. So in 3 months, at $50 a month, we ended up with a variety of constitutional between halves, quarters, and dimes. It's not the best deal if you can get to a coin shop and deal with the same person all the time and whatever. Wonderful. But if you can't, $50 a month will get you some constitutional for sure. And as you can see, I got a variety. Walking Liberty halves, Franklin halves, Kennedy halves, Washington quarters, dimes. $50 a month. You can stack too. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.